Notion AI Productivity Tool Pricing explained what you get for your money. Notion AI is one of the fastest growing productivity tools, but how much does it actually cost, and what do you get for your money? Most people assume it's just for note-taking, but Notion AI can summarize content, generate ideas, and even help draft documents, making it a true all-in-one workspace. Notion offers 4 main plans. The free plan includes basic Notion features like pages, databases, and simple collaboration tools. You can also use limited AI capabilities like text summarization and short content generation, making it ideal for individuals just exploring AI productivity. The Personal Pro plan starts at per month if billed annually. This unlocks full AI features, allowing unlimited AI-generated content, advanced templates, and priority support. You can automate repetitive tasks, draft reports, or even brainstorm new project ideas faster than ever. Next is the Team Plan, priced at per user per month. It's designed for small businesses or collaborative projects. Team members have access to shared AI tools, workflow automations, and advanced collaboration features like permissions, analytics, and common tracking. This plan helps teams increase productivity while keeping everyone on the same page. Finally, the Enterprise Plan offers custom pricing. It's designed for large organizations with advanced security, compliance, and administrative needs. Enterprises gain dedicated support, team onboarding, and AI tailored to complex workflows, making it scalable for businesses of any size. The surprising truth about Notion AI is that it does just save time, it improves creativity and organization. Teams using AI can reduce repetitive work, brainstorm better ideas, and structure projects more effectively, often boosting productivity by 20–30%. In conclusion, Notion AI pricing scales with your needs from individual use to full team collaboration. Understanding which AI features and collaboration tools you require ensures you get the best value. If your goal is to combine organization, automation, and creativity in one platform, Notion AI isn't just a note-taking tool, it's a productivity powerhouse that can transform how you work.